Good morning, Zimbabwe. The people see a team Mukanya and Fujigenamini are not a playground for higher agitators or political mercenaries deployed to protect a collapsing regime. The A team are not here for theatrics or noise. We are here to confront failure and reclaim national direction. And in Nyikadzino, we move towards reclaiming our national dignity. Zarabina mashoka aruda pangwa ino achuya achikomenda a picture ra VP Kosandoro Chiwenga and wife. Aiwa vari munyika yeIndia. Don't subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Chipinda panapa anoenda mberi achiti Zimbabwe needs authority, not spectacle, leadership, not distraction. The country is bleeding, our governance is reduced to performance, loyalty trading, and indulgence that hollow our institutions and betray the people. Mukanya Chiwenga represents order, command, and national seriousness. He stands for structure, responsibility, and the restoration of a state dismantled by reckless rule and personal interests. Enough. This is a reckoning. Zimbabwe will be rebuilt through discipline, accountability, and firm authority. Order over chaos, authority over force, the nation over ego. Viva Nyikadzino with your support system for the Genamini. Doma shukano mudanyo kwa pangwa ino. Anyara chita hashtag the people's choice, hashtag Viva Nyikadzino, hashtag the future is bright. Ndo mashukano budanyo kwa pangwa ine achisaputa VP Kosandoro Chiwenga achiti aiwa uyu munhu muhombe. The team aiwa iri comprised na VP pauchete and wife editorial team hombe is the A team. Imbudze mafungo enyu kuti pamusoro pesupport yavari kureceiva aiwa from their supporters. Pida kuma section medu za fungo enyu, so subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.